Hi, PixelPia here. Are you ready to dive into smart technology nestled into our smartphones? It's a beacon of AI innovation. Today we will continue our exploration of AI. We'll uncover the sophisticated AI systems that reside in our pockets. We're talking about intelligence that makes our smartphones not just gadgets, but partners. Today's focus is right in your hand, the smartphone. Let's decode how AI is embedded in its functions, from the simple act of snapping a photo to the complex realm of maintaining our privacy. AI has become an integral part of our daily smartphone usage, enhancing various functionalities and providing a more personalized, efficient user experience. And here are some of the key ways AI is used in our smartphones. First, we have voice assistants. AI-powered voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Bixby use machine learning algorithms to understand users' behavior and preferences. They can provide personalized recommendations, reminders, and suggestions based on individual usage patterns. For example, if you frequently use a specific app to book a cab, the voice assistant will learn this and suggest that app when you say you need to book a ride. Then we have the area of photography and videography. AI technology enhances camera capabilities on mobile phones, improving photo and video quality. Machine learning algorithms are employed to choose appropriate image settings to create great photos. AI algorithms can also fix issues such as poor lighting. Smartphones uses AI technology to identify facial features and adjust the lighting accordingly. An example of AI application in smartphone photography is the True Tone tech features on Google Pixels, which improve the accuracy of capturing people of color. And talking about facial recognition, AI is used in features like Face ID, which uses machine learning algorithms to recognize and verify the user's face for unlocking the phone or authorizing transactions. AI is used in the predictive text and smart replies features, where the AI learns from your past inputs and suggests words or phrases to complete your current sentence, saving you time and effort. And let's talk about personalized user experience. AI helps in personalizing the user experience by learning from your behavior and preferences. This can include suggesting apps, predicting your next action, or even adjusting the settings of your phone based on your usage patterns. AI is also used in augmented reality applications on smartphones, for example, in Pokemon Go. In simple terms, AI works by using machine learning, a subset of AI where computers learn from data. Unlike traditional programming where specific instructions are given, machine learning or ML algorithms learns from examples or experiences and then make predictions or decisions. For instance, A voice assistant learns to recognize your voice by analyzing a large number of your voice samples. Similarly, a camera app learns to adjust settings for the best photo by learning from a large number of photos and the corresponding settings. AI chips in smartphones perform these learning and predictions tasks efficiently. These chips can perform up to 5 trillion operations per second, enabling real-time AI applications. AI is revolutionizing the smartphone industry, making our phones more intuitive, responsive, and human-like. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated AI features in our smartphones in the future. AI-powered voice assistants have become a staple in our daily lives, especially on smartphones. And here are some examples of AI-powered voice assistants that are commonly used on smartphones. First, we have Siri. Launched by Apple in 2011, Siri is considered to be the first AI personal assistant to hit the market. Siri uses voice recognition to respond to questions, make recommendations, send text messages, and more. It is highly personalizable, adapting to users' language, searches, and preferences over time. Siri is available on Apple products, including iPhones, iPads, AirPods, and MacBooks. Next, we have Google Assistant. Since its launch in 2016, Google Assistant has risen as a top AI-enabled voice-powered virtual assistant. It is compatible with thousands of smart home devices across about 1,000 brands. Users can initiate tasks with both text and voice commands, and Google Assistant is often preloaded on any Android device and is available for free. Then we have Bixby. Bixby is Samsung's AI personal assistant that runs on all smartphones and some of its other smart devices. Bixby is voice activated and can understand users' text or speech inputs and generate responses that are conversational and fluent. And of course, we have Alexa. Amazon's Alexa is primarily known for its presence in smart speakers, but Amazon's Alexa is also available on smartphones. Alexa offers a range of features, including voice interaction, natural language processing (NLP), voice queries, and the ability to create to-do lists and set up alarms. Microsoft has Cortana. Cortana is a personal productivity assistant that uses the Bing search engine to perform various tasks, including setting reminders and answering users' queries. While it's primarily used on Windows devices, Cortana is also available on smartphones. These AI assistants use technologies like automatic speech recognition and natural language processing (NLP) to interpret and respond to voice commands. They learn from user interactions and improve over time, providing a personalized and efficient user experience. So let's talk a little bit about the technologies behind this. AI-powered voice assistants on smartphones work through a combination of technologies, including voice recognition, natural language processing, and artificial intelligence. And here is a simple breakdown of how they work. The first step in the process is voice recognition. When you speak to your voice assistant, it uses voice recognition technology to convert your spoken words into text. This technology is designed to understand and interpret a wide range of accents and speech patterns. Once your speech is converted into text, the voice assistant uses NLP, natural language processing, to understand the context and meaning of your command. NLP allows the voice assistant to understand and interpret human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. It helps the assistant to understand commands, questions, and statements in natural, everyday language. The AI component of the voice assistant uses machine learning algorithms to learn from past interactions and improve its ability to respond to commands over time. The more you use your voice assistant, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and the way you speak. This allows it to provide a more accurate and personalized response. After processing and understanding your command, the voice assistant generates a response. This response is then converted back from text into speech, which is what you hear as the voice assistant reply. The voice assistant is trained with the rules of linguistics to help it construct sentences similar to what chatbots like ChatGPT does. If your command involves performing a task like setting a reminder, sending a message, or playing a song, the voice assistant will carry out this task on your device. It can interact with other apps and services on your smartphone to perform a wide range of tasks. In summary, AI-powered voice assistants on smartphones work by using voice recognition to convert your spoken words into text, NLP to understand the meaning of your commands, and AI to learn from past interactions and generate responses. They can perform a wide range of tasks, making them a powerful and convenient tool for smartphones. AI-powered assistants on smartphones, while incredible and useful, do have certain limitations. And here are some key limitations. Voice assistants can struggle with understanding certain words, especially if they are uncommon, technical, or spoken with a heavy accent. They may also misunderstand commands, especially if they are complex or ambiguous. Sometimes your voice assistant may provide incorrect or outdated information. This is because they rely on the data they have been trained on. And if that data is incorrect or outdated, the voice assistant's responses will be too. Voice assistant can sometimes interrupt or distract from in-person conversations. For example, if you're talking to someone and your voice assistant misinterprets something you say as a command, it might interrupt you. While voice assistants are designed to work with a wide range of apps and devices, there can still be issues with software integration. For example, you might ask your assistant to open an app on your smartphone, but it might not be able to do so. Voice assistants have a limited response range, which can make them less useful for certain tasks. For example, they might not be able to provide a visual confirmation of a task or provide a detailed explanation of a complex topic. And of course, we have security concerns. Voice assistants can pose security risks. Anyone with access to a voice-activated device can ask it questions and potentially gather information about the account and services associated with the device. Voice assistants are powered by narrow AI, which is extremely efficient at performing specific tasks, but unable to make general abstract decisions like the human mind. This means they can only work in the distinct domain they've been trained on and may fail or act erratical when given commands they don't know. The turn-based conversational model favored by voice assistants can sometimes be slow and tedious. The assistant must wait for you to finish speaking before it can determine your request and then defaults into a spoken response. You then must wait for the assistant to stop talking before moving on to another step. Despite these limitations, AI-powered assistants continue to evolve and improve, and they remain a powerful tool for many smartphone users. But it has also raised privacy concerns. And here are some key privacy concerns associated with AI on smartphones. AI systems such as machine learning and deep learning models gather and use a lot of data to learn and improve. However, this data collection can raise concerns about privacy if there aren't proper safeguards in place. Companies and governments can collect vast amounts of data from individuals, putting their private information at risk. AI can unintentionally gather personal data without the user's knowledge or consent. For example, voice assistants can sometimes record conversations without the user's knowledge, and AI algorithms can collect data from photos and videos without the user's consent. AI algorithms can use personal data in ways that users did not intend or authorize. For example, AI algorithms can use personal data to create targeted advertisement or to make decisions about creditworthiness or employment eligibility. There are currently few regulations governing how AI makes use of personal data. This can lead to companies and governments using personal data in ways that are not ethical or legal. Additionally, AI algorithms can be vulnerable for hacking and other security breaches. AI algorithms can be opaque, making it difficult for users to understand how their personal data is being used. The lack of transparency can lead to mistrust and concerns about privacy. To address these privacy concerns, it is important to prioritize and adopt a strong data protection policies. Users can also take steps to protect their privacy, such as avoiding sharing personal, financial, and medical information, and being cautious about the apps and services they use. Now, I want to hear your stories. How has AI on your phone amazed you, or perhaps given you a cause for concern? Please share your thoughts in the comments down below. And I will put up a poll on my community tab where I will ask you what AI feature you use the most on your smartphone. So in my next video, we can go back and look at the result of that poll. Go over to my community tab and vote. I will have a link to that poll in the description. As a wrap up, let's reflect on the AI journey we take each time we unlock our smartphones. It's clear that these devices are more than just gadgets. They're a gateway to an AI-driven world. In my next video, I will explore AI and online security, protecting your digital self. It's a topic you don't want to miss, especially in today's connected world. If you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with someone that you think would appreciate it. If you have any further questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And I see you next time when we talk about security. Bye!